Hey everybody, Mike DiDonato here from Fiamma Canada, and today we're going to be changing the filter on the Jura GIGA10. What you're going to need for this process is a Jura Clarus Smart filter. They come individually or in packs of 3. Before we start the process, we always recommend priming your new filter. To do that, you're going to remove it from the package, turn it upside down, and run fresh water through it for about a minute. Once you've done that, you're ready to start the process. To begin, you're going to select Change the Filter on your home screen. Your machine will then immediately ask you for the new filter. You're going to remove your water tank, take your existing filter out, separate it from the extension, take your new primed filter, connect it to your extension, put it back in the tank, refill with water, and put it back on the machine. The machine will then recognize the new filter due to the RFID technology. It'll flush it into its tray internally. That'll take about 5 minutes, and once that's done, you're ready to go. Thanks for watching our video today. Check out our Instagram at Fiamma_Canada for some fun and cool content, and our website, fiamma.ca, for all your maintenance product needs.